Alright, so today we're going to talk about summation. And summation is the addition of excitatory or inhibitory presynaptic potentials. They add together or summate to reach threshold, which is at negative 55 millivolts, which initiates an action potential.
Spatial summation occurs when excitatory potentials are received on different locations on the postsynaptic neuron from multiple presynaptic neurons, causing the postsynaptic neuron to reach its threshold. Reaching the threshold will initiate an action potential. Here's a demonstration.
The balloon is a representation of the postsynaptic neuron, while the pencils represent the presynaptic potentials, and the bursting of the balloon represents the action potential. In this case, you can see that the postsynaptic neurons get excitatory presynaptic potentials from multiple neurons, which sum to reach threshold and initiate an action potential.
Temporal summation occurs when a single presynaptic neuron fires many times in succession, which then causes the postsynaptic neuron to reach its threshold, which then initiates an action potential. Here is a demonstration for temporal summation.
In this case, the balloon represents the postsynaptic neuron. The pencil represents the presynaptic neuron. Every time the pencil touches the balloon represents an excitatory postsynaptic potential, and the bursting of the balloon represents the initiation of an action potential. These potentials summate to depolarize the postsynaptic neuron to negative 55 millivolts, and this causes an action potential to be initiated.
In conclusion, there are two different types of summation. Both spatial and temporal are effective ways to initiate an action potential.